Hello guys! Sa video na to, ituturo natin kung paano ba tayo gagawa ng custom email. No, instead of using yung mga regular emails like jakeayano@gmail.com or bossjaketv@gmail.com, ang gagawin natin is gagawa tayo ng custom email. Pwede tayong gagawa ng emails like this, yung contact@bossjaketv.com or hello@bossjaketv.com. Coming up yan sa ating video today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Boss Jake TV. So if you're new here, I'm regularly sharing online freelancing tips or how to become a virtual assistant. So kung bago ka pa sa channel ko, please consider subscribing and like this video, okay? Welcome sa ating video. It's a Monday. But I'm just gonna quickly share to you guys na meron pala tayong email. Kung nakagawa na kayong ng WordPress website, it's easier now to make an email na custom email, diba? I think may makita kayo ng mga emails like support@facebook.com, diba? Yung domain name tsaka yung website nila is yung nasa last part. Usually kasi yung mga email natin is, for example, jakeayano@gmail.com. So at gmail.com kasi yun yung brand sa Gmail eh. So jakeayano@yahoo.com. So yun. So right now we are going to make an email na custom na email, meaning parang brand talaga ng email natin. I'm planning to make an email na contact@bossjaketv.com. Yun ang gagawin natin na email. And the good thing about that sa WordPress guys is meron siyang free na ibibigay sa atin. So instead of using the regular email na yung jakeayano@gmail.com or bossjaketv@gmail.com, ang gagawin natin ngayon is we are going to make parang brand na email, let's say for example support or hello@bossjaketv.com or contact@yourwebsite.com. So yun ang gagawin natin. So actually nandito tayo ngayon sa ating WordPress na dashboard. Nakalagin na ako dito guys. So yeah, ang gagawin natin is we are going to HostGator. Let's go to our HostGator account first. Yun. Once it's loaded, if wala pa kayong HostGator, you can check out the link below para maka-login na kayo sa HostGator kasi makagawa kayo ng account sa HostGator kasi yung HostGator natin ngayon is very cheap, $2.75 per month. Pwede kayong mabill ng monthly or 1 month or 3 months, 6 months or 1 year, depende sa iyo. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to sign in kasi meron na tayong account sa HostGator. Yeah, let's go to the portal. And then, of course, since meron na tayong account, what we are going to do is we are just going to log in here, right? Log in natin yan. And let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so this is yung dashboard natin guys. Sa course natin, malalaman nyo kung ano ba yung dashboard natin, di ba? Ano yung mga usually ginagamit natin. And what we're going to do right now is we are going to go here sa ating, we can click here sa ating email and office. Click here, email and office. Just wait for it to load. Okay. Professional email with business tools. Ito nakagay, email jakeayano@bossjaketv. So, kung pupunta tayo dito sa email and office, ito yung tinatawag natin na, I think ito yung may bayad, no? Google Workspace, pwede tayong makagawa ng bossjaketv, hello@bossjaketv.com or dito rin sa Microsoft, which is may bayad. Pero what we're looking for is yung free lang kasi nga we are on a budget din. So, what we are going to do right now is we just simply go here sa ating control panel, sa dashboard and control panel, and then click natin yung email accounts. Alright? Email accounts. Once you click it, mag-load yan siya. And ito yung mangyayari guys. So, ito yung Boss Jake TV unrestricted. So, that's okay. So, what we're going to do is we are going to create. Click natin yung create. Okay? So, ito na yung username natin. So, basically, pwede tayong gagawa ng hello@bossjaketv.com or contact@bossjaketv.com. So, depende sa inyo guys. So, ang sa akin lang is pwede kong lagyan ng contact. Pero, I think we can make a lot of emails here when support@bossjaketv.com, sales@bossjaketv.com. Depende sa inyo guys. So, I'm just going to create here contact@bossjaketv.com and I click create. Boom. Password pa pala. Sorry. Of course, yung password ko is yung password ko talaga. stay on this page after I click. Yeah, we can do that one. And then click natin yung create. Boom. Creating information. Let's wait. Ito na yun guys. Okay. You created contact at bossjaketv.com. Let's try to view it. Save. Okay. Okay, once it's here, so ito na guys, contact. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to click muna natin yung manage so that we can see kung ano ba yung mga documentations nila, o ano ba yung mga nakalagay. Allocated storage space, lagyan natin dito unlimited, no? Para unlimited, okay? And then, yan, okay na yan. Update natin yung email settings. Click natin yan. Yun. And then we are going to click here sa ating check email natin. Okay? Let's just wait for it to load. So, actually, ito yung available na. Papipiliin tayo kung ano ba yung gagamitin natin na parang inbox nila. It's like Gmail pero may ibang ano. Usually ito yung naka-default, no, yung round cube webmail software. Hindi natin i-move yan, okay? And then click natin yung open my inbox when I log in. You can do that one and then click open. And there you go guys. Ito na yung inbox natin na custom inbox natin, no? Boss Jake TV from Boss Jake TV. So instead of using the regular one like jakeayano@gmail.com or bossjaketv@yahoo or at gmail.com, ito na yung email natin ngayon guys. It's support at bossjaketv.com. Let's try to compose an email, no? Compose ating email and try natin na mag-send ng email sa ating original account, which is yung email ko, jakeayano@gmail.com. Subject natin is cash payment, $1 million. 100 pesos. Sabi pa dyan, hello, blah blah blah, sabi na dyan. Sige natin. And let's try to attach a file kung ano ba yung itsura niya, no? Let's try to attach a file. Ito yung bagong template ko na ginawa. Uploading. And let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. There you go. Refreshing and 99% and it's good to go. Alright, so we're just gonna, in order for us to send the email, click natin yung send. Boom. Okay, message successfully sent. And right now we're going to go to our Gmail account. And ito na yung Gmail account natin guys. Okay, contact. So yun ang name niya. So guys, yun, may email na tayo from our email. So let's try to reply back, okay? Hi boss. Glad. Thank you. Baka na. Okay. Ganyan, mas madali. Boom. Contact at sales. And let's try to go back sa ating email, round cube, and then refresh lang natin pag may ma-receive ba tayo na email. Alright? We're just checking it out guys if effective. Yun. Meron na tayong email reply from Boss Jake TV. Ito yung other email ko. So hi boss, blah blah blah. So yan. Alright. So yan guys. Now may email na tayo. So the good thing about using this email is that you will have parang may posture ka, no? May posture ka dun sa mga client mo. Let's say for example, if you're applying for a virtual assistant job. So, sasabihin ng client na, oy, what's your email address? So, sasabihin mo lang sa client mo, my email is contact@jakeayano.com or bossjaketv.com or whatever your website's name is. So, going to give your client that kind of email, they're going to ask you, oh, so you have your own website. That's cool. So, usually yan yung mga reaction nila. Ito yung na-experience ko when I created yung jakeayano.com before na hindi ko na napatuloy kasi nga hindi ko na nabayaran. May malaki talagang posture yan, guys. Magkakaroon ka ng malaking edge, no? With your portfolio, magkaroon ka ng edge with other freelancers because the client will know na that you are really good at something, no? Hindi basta-basta, guys, pag may website ka. Meaning, if you have a website, meaning you're parang updated ka sa technology. And that's the good thing about using a custom email. Yeah, I think that's it for this episode, guys. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section below. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video and share it to your friends or whatever. And if you don't like this video, mag-subscribe na lang kayo for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Boss Jake TV, giving you free tips on how to become an online freelancer or a virtual assistant. And see you sa mga next video natin. God bless, mga boss.